They're gone.
What?
Birds are gone.
Oh. But look at this wind. Oh my goodness.
It's raining over there. It's coming. Get inside.
Look at the wind.
No.
It's
We're
not.
not having weather here. It'll be fine.
You hear that? It's like a.
Okay, wait. Okay, so look. This is 9 News. No weather alert, thankfully. Oh, the birds!
Oh. I don't know if you guys can see them, but there's thousands of birds flying across the sky. Oh my goodness.
Oh, God.
Yeah, you guys can't see them. Oh look, there's a branch flying across the street. Oh my goodness, lightning? Oh, I just heard. Oh, that cover over there is blowing off. On that timber, looks like the cover's blowing off.
I wonder when they come home, I'll tell them their lumber got wet.
Oh. We were smashing up some coins
And these are
when
mine.
this happened.
And
There's
here
a
are
dime.
mine. These are mine.
Smashed up pennies. And yeah, so we can't do it in here because of Daddy's nice floor. Where'd you get a whole nother bag?
What?
You got a whole nother bag of
No, I didn't.
oh.
This is still my first.
Oh, lightning flash. Oh, the garage door is creaking.
But there's so much Look, because of the wonderful things he does.
Yeah, that cover is almost completely blown off. Yeah, the whole thing's. Oh, look, there's a tumbleweed. There's a tumbleweed flying across the street. Oh my goodness. Oh, it just went into someone's yard and there's lightning. Tons of lightning, lots of wind. Oh, look, the birds are back. Look.
I wonder if they're like dead. They're just like flying around.
They're reacting to the storm. Now this is tornado weather. Like this much wind.
But it happened to be strong here.
Uh-huh.
Come on, get inside, Dustin.
Oh, dust storm! Oh, check the back. The back must be really bad. Oh my goodness. Look. There's a huge dust storm. Right here, look. Tons of dust.
Uh-huh. Come on. Let's go back up front.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Insanity.
Come on. Let's go back outside.
I wonder what's in the front now.
A bad dust storm. I just saw it.
Where?
Same place it was. Come on, put your safety glasses on.
I have mine on. Check them. Oh, your hair is blowing back. Oh! Oh! Ow! You slammed into my shoulder. Oh!
I got you.
Oh! That was insane. Oh! It's a huge windstorm. Oh, I just felt a drop. Rain and giant lightning bolts. It's raining and there's giant lightning bolts. That's never good.
Don't go outside anymore.
Why?
Because because
The giant lightning bolt?
Yeah.
That looked like it came straight down and struck. Seth. This was a really long video, guys. So I'm gonna end it here and start a new video. Oh look, their cover blew off. Their cover blew off.
it did.
Or not completely. It's just anchored by a team. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. This has been a 5-minute episode, so I better end it here. Seth, say bye.
Goodbye.